Hi guys, today I am going to explain the new update. It is very easy, don't need lot of time and lot of effort. You can do it smartly actually. If you are smart enough, you will do it very easy. So how to do it, which quest you need to do. Actually there is an option. You have to score 100 points. Here you are watching. But there are many quests. You just select the one which you are very easy to do. So how to do and which quest you will select to complete it without wasting much time. Recommendation is the first one is the resources. Very easy, you have to just gather 100,000 resources, so it is not very tough. You see I already completed. Then the most easiest one, spend STA in hero stage. You can if you are level 25, Kisel level 25, you can get STA in every 24 hours. It is normally around 160. So just wait for that. When it is full, you use it. Then there is spend energy by hunting monsters on the kingdom map. Very easy again. Then there are two a little tricky one, I would say. Use items that are classified under the resource tab in the bag. You have to use 5 items actually, and then use items that are classified under the speed up tab in the bag. So let me describe this one. How you After that, make cargo ship trade and send guild help. These two are also very easy. You have to wait for your cargo ship, and once it is arrived, just one trade will give you this quest, and then 5 guild helps. As you know, not very difficult. Then this one, get dark essence by raiding dark nest. If you complete this one, you will get 2 quests actually. One for this one and the other one, heal wounded troops in the infirmary. So if it is level 4 or level 5 dark nest, you will surely get some injured troops. So you will complete this quest also. The resources quest I already told you. 5 quests, it will give you 25 points. So let's say now I have 4 gathering armies outside, and all of them are 100,000 plus. Look at this. So if I just press return to Kessel, when they arrive, the quest will complete. You don't have to wait for the bar to fill to gather all the resources. So once the army is arrived, just like this, look at this. Once the army is arrived, you will complete the quest. And now I don't want to left this one. So what I do, I just gather it again. I send another army together to just fill it. And when the army will arrive, the gathering army, I will complete the quest. So just need some time to complete all these quests. Now you see reset daily time is 5 p.m. and now it is 5:47 here. 5:47. So in 47 minutes, I just completed 80% of the quest. So definitely not very tough. This game needs some time actually. If you give the time, you will complete all the quest very easily. Good.